Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is ordering food delivery. You will listen to a funny and natural English conversation about ordering food. All right, let's begin. Hey, Dave, what are you doing?
I'm thinking about food.
Haha, of course you are.
I'm very hungry.
Really?
Yes, super hungry.
Did you eat lunch?
No, I skipped lunch.
Oh no, that's why you're hungry.
Yes, now I want to eat everything.
Haha, everything?
Pizza, burger, fried chicken.
Wow, that's a lot.
My stomach is ready.
Okay, calm down. So, what do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
Pizza sounds good.
Yes, cheesy pizza.
What kind of pizza?
I don't know. Maybe chicken pizza.
That's a good choice.
Or maybe pepperoni.
You can't choose?
It's very difficult.
Food decisions are always hard.
Yes, very serious decision.
Okay, let's order delivery.
Delivery?
Yes, we can call and order food.
That sounds easy.
Do you have the number?
Yes, I found it online.
Good.
But I'm nervous again.
Why nervous?
Because I need to speak English.
You're doing great.
I will try. Okay, I'm calling now. Phone. Ring. Ring. Oh no, my heart is beating fast.
Relax. Just speak slowly.
Restaurant. Hello, Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hello? Speak clearly.
Hello, I want to order pizza. Sure, what would you like? I want,
Chicken pizza.
chicken pizza. What size? Size?
Small, medium, or large.
Medium, please. Okay. And one burger.
Extra food?
Yes, I'm hungry. Anything else?
Drink.
One cola, please. Okay. Can I have your address? Address?
Tell them your home address.
Oh, yes. 123, wait, I forgot.
You forgot your own address?
Yes, I'm hungry. My brain is not working.
That's funny.
Okay, I remember now. 123 Green Street. Thank you. You're welcome. Your order will arrive in 30 minutes. 30 minutes? Yes. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Goodbye. I did it.
Good job.
That was scary.
But you did very well.
My hands were shaking.
Brave Dave.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Now we wait.
Yes, 30 minutes.
That's too long.
Patience.
My stomach is crying.
Crying stomach?
Yes, very loud.
I can hear it.
Really?
Just kidding.
I'm going to watch food videos.
That will make it worse.
Oh no, you're right. Why does food delivery take time?
Because they need to cook.
I wish it was instant.
Magic food?
Yes, teleport pizza.
Teleport pizza.
That would be amazing.
Very futuristic.
I'm ready for the future. I smell pizza.
Really?
No, just imagination.
Hungry imagination.
My imagination is very strong.
Clearly. Dave, relax. The food will come soon.
I can't relax.
Why?
Because I'm very hungry.
I know.
Every minute feels like 1 hour.
That's hunger time.
Yes, slow time.
Ding dong.
Oh, I heard something.
That's the doorbell.
Food is here.
Calm down.
I'm not calm anymore.
Go open the door.
Yes, I'm going. Hello?
Hello?
Food delivery?
Yes, that's mine. So excited.
Very excited. Here is your order.
Thank you.
That will be $15.
15? That's okay.
Okay, here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
I will.
I got the food.
Good job.
I feel like a winner.
Food winner.
Yes, champion of food.
Funny title. Okay, let's check the food.
Yes, very important.
Open the box.
Wow,
What do you see?
beautiful pizza.
Beautiful?
Yes, it's perfect.
What about the burger?
Let me see. Oh yes, burger is here.
And the drink?
Cola is here too.
Good. Everything is correct.
No mistakes.
That's lucky.
I'm very happy. Okay, first bite.
Go ahead.
Mmm,
Good?
amazing.
I knew it.
This pizza is perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
My stomach is smiling.
A smiling stomach?
Yes, very happy stomach.
That's funny.
Try some.
Okay. It's really good.
See, I told you.
Good choice.
I'm a food expert.
Really?
Yes, professional eater.
Funny job.
Now, burger time.
You're eating a lot.
I'm very hungry.
I can see that.
Big bite. Oh, wow.
Good?
Very juicy.
Nice.
This is happiness.
Food happiness.
Yes, pure happiness.
You're eating very fast.
I can't stop.
Slow down.
My stomach says go fast.
Funny stomach.
It's the boss.
Stomach boss.
Yes, boss of my life.
That's dangerous.
But delicious. Do you want more pizza?
Yes, just a little.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sharing is caring.
Nice sentence.
I'm learning English and eating.
Best combination.
Yes, food plus English equals perfect. I'm thirsty.
Drink your cola.
Okay. Ah, refreshing.
Good?
Very good.
Nice.
Food and drink together, perfect life.
Simple happiness.
Yes, very simple. I feel full now.
That was fast.
Yes, very fast.
Happy?
Very happy.
Good.
Ordering food is the best idea.
Good decision.
Next time, I will order more.
More?
Yes, double order.
Oh no, that's too much.
Maybe.
Wow, Dave, you ate a lot.
I know.
Are you okay?
I feel very full.
Too full?
Yes, my stomach is very full.
I told you to slow down.
I couldn't stop.
Hungry Dave becomes fast Dave.
Yes, very fast. I can't move.
Really?
Yes, I feel heavy.
Food weight.
My stomach is very busy.
Busy doing what?
Working hard.
Hard-working stomach.
Yes, it's a strong worker.
That's funny.
Maybe I ate too much.
Maybe?
Okay, I definitely ate too much.
I knew it.
I regret it a little.
Just a little?
Okay, a lot.
Honest Dave.
But it was delicious.
That's the problem.
Good food is dangerous.
Very true.
I feel sleepy now.
Really?
Yes, very sleepy.
Food makes you sleepy.
I want to lie down.
Go ahead.
This sofa again.
Your favorite place.
Yes, sofa is my best friend.
New best friend.
My eyes are closing.
Don't sleep too long.
Just a short nap.
Okay.
If I sleep, don't eat my pizza.
I won't.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay, I trust you. I think I will dream about food again.
Of course.
Pizza dream? Burger dream?
You're funny.
Even in my dreams, I eat.
Dream eating.
Yes, 24-hour eating.
That's a funny life.
When should we order again?
What? Already?
Just kidding.
Good.
Maybe tomorrow.
That's better.
What should we order next time?
Maybe something healthy.
Healthy?
Yes, like salad.
Oh no.
You don't like salad?
Salad is not exciting.
True.
Pizza is exciting.
Of course. You should eat healthy sometimes.
Okay, I will try.
Good.
But not today.
Of course not today.
Today is pizza day.
Yes, pizza celebration.
Tomorrow may be healthy.
Maybe?
Okay, maybe not.
You're honest.
I feel happy now.
That's good.
Food makes me happy.
Yes, good food makes people happy.
And talking with you makes me happy too.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's very nice.
Today was fun.
Yes, very fun.
I learned English
Yes,
and I ate good food.
perfect combination.
Yes, best day. Next time, I will order again.
Of course you will.
Maybe bigger pizza.
Oh no.
Just kidding.
I hope so.
Okay, maybe not kidding.
You're funny. Dave, are you still awake?
Yes, a little.
You look very sleepy.
I am, but I'm also happy.
Happy and sleepy.
Best combination.
Did you enjoy the food?
Very much.
What was your favorite?
The pizza.
Of course.
The cheese was perfect.
You love cheese.
Cheese is life.
That's funny.
Today was a good day.
Yes, it was.
I learned English.
Yes.
I ordered food in English.
That's great.
And I ate delicious food.
Perfect day.
Yes, perfect. I feel very relaxed now.
That's good.
Food makes everything better.
Almost everything.
Yes, almost. From now on, I will cook at home.
Really?
Yes, I will be healthy.
Wow. Big promise.
I will eat vegetables.
Amazing.
I will not order food every day.
Very good.
I will be strong and healthy.
I'm proud of you.
But
Here it comes.
I will still order pizza sometimes.
Of course.
Pizza is special.
Yes, special food.
Pizza is not just food.
Really?
It's happiness.
Emotional pizza?
Yes, emotional support pizza.
That's funny.
When I'm sad, Pizza helps.
Good therapy.
Pizza therapy.
I like that.
Next time, we should order something new.
Like what?
Maybe fried chicken.
That sounds good.
Or noodles.
Also good.
Or everything again.
Everything again?
Yes, full menu.
That's too much.
Maybe not everything.
Dave, what did you learn today?
I learned how to order food in English.
Good.
And I learned something important.
What?
Never skip lunch.
That's true.
Because I will become too hungry.
Yes.
And I will order too much food.
Exactly.
But it's okay.
Why?
Because it was delicious.
Good reason.
Delicious problems.
I like that.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
You always help me learn English.
I'm happy to help.
And you help me choose food.
That's important too.
Very important. I feel happy.
Me too.
Today was fun.
Yes.
English plus food equals perfect day.
Perfect formula.
I will remember this.
Good.
Okay, now I really need sleep.
Yes. Time to rest.
Good night, Cindy.
Good night, Dave. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.